Alicia, this property is beautiful.
It really is. I love it because this location is perfect. There's so much to do in this area.
Like just down the street, we have Nila Lucan Park, where last Memorial Day, actually, we made this our headquarters for a walk with the Nicole G Foundation. That's the kind of community that we have here. Next to the park, we have all kinds of restaurants, Mojo's to Kitchen 747, Tighten Up Spa, F45, so you can work off those calories after you enjoy all of the great food that this shopping center has to offer.
We just had that new Safeway open up.
And here we are, just 5 minutes away from that beautiful house, a brand new Safeway.
Soon, there's gonna be a brand new Costco opening up at the Baseline Marketplace, just 5 minutes away as well.
That's incredible. If you were to give a description of this property, what would it be?
Effortless with a touch of elegance.
Let's go take a look. This living room is rather large.
Extremely spacious. I love how much room you have for all of your guests.
Of the entire home, what would you say is your favorite spot?
Hands down, I'd have to go with the kitchen.
Wow, I can see why you love this kitchen so much. These lights are incredible.
They're beautiful, but you know what really stands out to me? This gigantic island.
So with this space here, set up as a living room, what would you do with this space?
There's unlimited options here. I could see this being a beautiful dining area.
To our left, we have the primary bedroom. The other side is where we have
3 other bedrooms. I think the fact that it's on its own, away from all the other bedrooms, so if you have kids or if you have guests, your guests can have their own full bath and you still have your privacy.
What's your favorite part about the primary bedroom?
I love the primary suite bathroom. It's so spa-like. I just feel so zen when I walk inside.
It is great, and it's a 1-story, so, I mean, I know you're younger than me, but my knees are not getting any easier walking upstairs.
And we have this fully landscaped backyard, low maintenance. It's just beautiful, and it's ready to be enjoyed by you and your guests.